On a scorching afternoon in 1950, a boy sneaked out of his house, climbed over the wall and slipped into a narrow alley. He intended to wait for his mother, knowing this was her only route home. As time went on, the path they had walked together countless times gradually became more and more challenging. The boy eventually left home to pursue higher education. He worked hard and successfully earned a degree in engineering. At the moment he received his degree, all he longed for was to walk once more on the familiar, ordinary path from his childhood memories. Through countless nights of hard work, the man transformed his regrets into a sense of hope for the future. Until his hope finally became a reality. In 1986, Merits was founded in Taiwan. In 1992, to offer higher quality and better service to our customers, we founded a subsidiary in Florida, establishing our presence in the United States. They established warehouses in Florida and Las Vegas, allowing for local production of products that resonate with customers. Merits has flourished globally thanks to decades of accumulated experience and customer trust. Merits used to account for over 15% of the world's power wheelchair production capacity. Now, they are one of the top 5 global manufacturers of power wheelchairs and mobility scooters. Merits provides a wide range of well-designed products, offering considerate and secure assistive devices for both outdoor and home mobility solutions. Quality results from persistent effort at every stage. Merits begins with a professional design and R&D team, manufacturing all components precisely in-house. And rigorously following assembly processes. Strict quality control procedures cover inspection, testing, and auditing. Merits augments its core quality assurance processes with an in-house laboratory to address customer quality concerns. Additionally, during new product development, we rigorously conduct 800-kilometer road tests, considering user habits to enhance product reliability. Multiple international certifications enhance Merits' credibility and fulfill our commitment to customer quality. Over the past 4 decades, our influence and trust have extended to every corner of the globe. Our services are heartfelt, and our products embody boundless possibilities. Merits empowers independence and accessibility by offering life-enhancing quality solutions that enable people to live life to the fullest.